Hi everyone, I am the IT Explorer, and today we are going to take out and put back in a CPU. First up, make sure your computer is unplugged and nothing is attached to your computer. Next up, get into your computer. Then put on your USB protection. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so right now we cannot see the CPU. Right here, it's called the heatsink. The CPU is located right under it. And you may not see it, but there's 4 screws that's keeping the heatsink down. So I'm going to unscrew them. Okay, let's see. Alright, so it comes right off. Alright, so in order to get the CPU out, there's this lever. So you push it down and out. There we go. Then we can move this up. And one thing that we can find out is whether the CPU is a LGA or a PGA. LGA standing for Land Grid Array, and then PGA Pan Grid Array. Alright, let's see. Here we go. So this is the LGA, because the PGA will have holes and this on the base, and then LGA has pins on the base. Alright, so let's put this back in. So you try to line it up as best as you can. Right. Here we go. There we go. So what you see on top is called the thermal paste. And we're gonna put new thermal paste on it. So I'm gonna clean it off right now. Alright, so I got thermal paste here. And what you want to do is put very small amount on the middle of the CPU. You don't want too much because it will spew on the sides, and then it's a big mess that is hard to clean up. Okay. All right. Now we are going to put the heatsink back in. Alright, now that's in. Now you can take off your ESD protection and put everything back together and hook your computer up, and I'll show you how you can find out if everything's okay. Alright, power up your computer, and once you do that and get inside, we're going to go to Task Manager, go to Performance, and go to Memory, and check if all your memory is there. Because if your CPU is out of place, all your memory may not show up. So that's one way to find out if your CPU is out of place. Alright. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.